Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can deposit money into your Rainbet account. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up a browser and then in the search bar, search for rainbet.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, you will then be able to find a wallet icon. Go ahead and tap onto it. Inside here, make sure deposit is selected. Inside this section, you'll be able to see two payment methods. Either it is direct crypto or banking. So if you're depositing with your banking, go ahead and select your bank. Type in the amount you want to deposit. For Canadian dollar, the minimum is $15. So after that, go ahead and type in your first name, your last name, email address, and phone number. Once you've done that, tap on deposit and then verify the details and complete the transaction. Your fund should then appear in your Rainbet account balance. That's it. That is simply how you can deposit money in Rainbet quickly and easily. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.